Good afternoon everyone. Today we're looking at another Casio watch down the lower budget spectrum of the reviews today. So we're going to be looking at specifically a Casio Collection watch, a non-digital version. So initial look at the box, we've got a simple sort of sliding box style box, funny enough, with a nice simple white and black cardboard outside cover. You can open this a variety of ways, so I believe I just pulled it out before. Initial look at the box, it's a display plastic style box, just to sort of show that watch off a bit more. Let's take this out of here. So initial look at the watch, we can see that it's got a plain sort of polar white initial facing there. Lots of white, lots of black going on here. So let's take this off this little display box. Very plain face there going on with a simple black number system going around the side. We've also got a little digital display here just to show that alarm time. This also offers a chance to give you a chance to stopwatch and auto calendar as well. So initial specs of the watch, we've got it says 136 gram weight, but that's probably a total weight. But watch itself retails at £35, and as you can see from the face, it's a quartz movement. Fully waterproof to 50 meters, of course, and you can adjust the hands and the modes depending on what you would like to use based on the buttons and the crown on the side. The casing of it is a full resin plastic casing and molds together nicely with the strap going on here. As you can see, it just molds in nicely together. The buttons themselves are a full chrome finish effect, same with that one on the side, and a full lined effect on the back. Casio backplate going on there with the full model number as well. Easy access popper pins inside the strap here. Very, very simple quartz watch. Look at the strap, we've got a silicone rubber style strap with a fully blacked out Casio plastic clasp here with a simple hinge and nice wide windows for lots of opportunity for adjustment. Silicone straps, this sort of style strap might not give you much play in terms of making the gaps bigger over time, but there's lots of gaps here to pick your poison in terms of what size you have it. So there you go guys, that is the Casio Collection 39mm.